Everybody's always calling, asking me for a deal. So here's the deal. My last 2025 Chaparral 267 SSX. And this isn't just any 267 SSX. This boat's got more options on it than a Christmas goose. We've got a windlass power anchor, EFX power tower, upgraded JL audio with tower speakers, infinity power step, and not 300 horsepower, not 350 horsepower, but a Volvo 380 horsepower V8. Let's take a look inside. I'm still not done talking about options. Let's climb up this power step. This boat's got the connectivity package, so there's wireless chargers throughout, a rear view camera, rear firing speakers. It's got a vacuum flush toilet with a pump out. It's got a fresh water system, so you have a transom shower and bow shower, onboard charger. Oh, and did I mention 380 horsepower? The 267 is a great family boat, whether you're going to a local lake or a big lake. It's got deep freeboard, it's yacht certified. It's comfortable for 10 to 12 people. This is my last one. I'm not gonna take 10, 20, but $30,000 off. It's down here in Norman. Come see me. Let's go to the lake.